In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drop-down list in Google Sheets in just 5 minutes. Drop-down lists are a fantastic tool to make data entry more efficient and accurate by limiting the options available, ensuring uniformity across your spreadsheet. Whether you're working on a project for your team or organizing personal data, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheet. If you haven't already created one, you can do so by going to Google Drive, clicking on New, and selecting Google Sheets. Once you have your sheet opened, navigate to the specific cell or cells where you intend to have your drop-down list. This could be a single cell or multiple ones if you're applying it to a whole column or specific range. Simply click on the target cell to highlight it. Next, you'll need to access the drop-down list feature. Head to the top menu bar. Here you'll find an option labeled Insert. Click on it, which will bring up a menu, and select Drop-Down from the options listed. But if you prefer, there's an alternative method. Simply right-click on your chosen cell and, from the context menu that appears, choose Drop-Down. Both methods will get you to the same setup window. At this point, the Data Validation Rules panel should pop up on the right side of your screen. It's here you will define the criteria for your drop-down list. Under the Criteria section, you have two main choices. The first is Drop-Down, where you can manually input a list of items that will become part of your drop-down menu. The second option is Drop-Down from a range, which lets you select a range of cells in your sheet from which to populate the list. Selecting the drop-down option allows the flexibility to input items directly into the list. Perfect if you have specific, distinct choices in mind. Alternatively, choosing drop-down from a range is optimal if your list is dynamic, as any changes made to the original data range will automatically update in your drop-down list. Lastly, it's time to customize your drop-down to suit your needs. You might want to reorder items, perhaps based on frequency of use, or add conditions that limit invalid inputs. After customizing, simply click Done to apply. And there you have it, a fully functional drop-down list that will streamline your data management in Google Sheets. Thank you for joining me today. Hopefully, you found this guide helpful and are ready to enhance your Google Sheets with efficient drop-down lists. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Happy spreadsheeting!